All right, so I'm about to show you how to make unbelievably juicy chicken breasts, and it's so simple. Mad seasoning, chicken breasts, a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So I take the chicken breast, and I'm gonna cut off all these pieces of fat. See that fat there? I'm gonna trim all that off. Really simple. That's that, you know when you go to Chick-fil-A and you get that bite, one bite on a Chick-fil-A sandwich that's not any good? That's that piece right there. And then we started all New Year, let's all eat a little bit better. So chicken, that's a good protein that you can eat. So I've got the chicken breast, I've already trimmed it up. I just got it on this tray. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil on it first. This is that drizzle me olive oil, which is a really good olive oil. You can just drink this stuff. Alright, so here we go. So when we're seasoning stuff, don't get your contaminated hand in with your seasoning. So I'm just taking this chicken breast and I'm coating it with mad seasoning. Now remember y'all, this is a seasoning with salt. So just take into account that it's salt. So allow that to come off. That's all I'm putting in there. See that? I coat all sides. See how good and coated that is? And I'm gonna I've been running in circles, I've been chasing the sun. I guess I'm looking for something, but I just don't know what. Everything has a purpose, everyone has a doubt. Why does it feel so uncertain? Once that oil starts to get hot, just pour all around it. Let's get a little bit shimmery. Turn it over in about 4 minutes. Look how pretty that is. That's what you're looking for. That little sear on top there. And now we're going to let it go on this side for about 4 minutes. One of the benefits of these Finex pans too is the handles. A secret ingredient in mad seasoning also that helps caramelize meats. Look at that. That's just chicken. Yeah. The chicken needs to be 165. Let's see where we're at. Go into the thickest part of the chicken. Got a little bit more. About 155. Almost there. 2. Let them rest for about 5 minutes before we cut them. But look at those chicken breasts. Aren't they just gorgeous? Here we go. That right there, y'all, is how you cook the perfect chicken. Okay. So, what do? We cut the fat off it. Got a little olive oil on it. That's that drizzle me olive oil. Mad seasoning. Sear it off in a cast iron skillet. 4 minutes or so on each side, depends on the thickness. And cook it until it reaches 165 on your thermometer. And then when it gets right close to 165, pull it off, let it rest 5, 6, 7 minutes, cut it up, and you'll have the most tender chicken, flavorful, seared on the outside, pretty,